Hello everyone, today our topic is how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for pest control business. So here our objective is that whenever I get a new Facebook lead for my pest control business in Facebook lead ads, then I want to capture these lead details and I want to add these lead details automatically in my Google Sheet. So for that, we will create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I'm going to use Trigger and Action. In Trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In Action application, I'm going to use Google Sheets. So how I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how I can instantly keep records of all my Facebook leads for my pest control business in Google Sheets. So this is my Facebook page for my pest control business and it is named as Termite Terminators. And to promote my business, I'm also running an ad campaign on my Facebook page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. Now I want to keep records of all my leads. So here my objective is that whenever I get a new Facebook lead for my pest control business, then instantly I want to add these lead details in my Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet and it is named as Facebook Leads. And here I have these three columns. So I want to add the lead details of my Facebook lead in these particular columns. So for this, I have to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet. And to create this integration, I'm going to open a new tab and search for Pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now I want to create a new workflow. For that, I'll click here on Create Workflow button. And this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for my pest control business. Now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select home here and I will click on create and this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first. And here my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to search for that and I will select this. Now I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and new lead instant will be my trigger event. Now I will connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection and I will connect with Facebook lead ads and I will click on continue to give access to my account. And my connection here is successful. Now I have these two tabs, page and the lead generation form. So for this, let's go to Facebook. And this is my Facebook page and it is named as Termite Terminators. And for the lead generation form, I will open this menu and I will open Meta Business Suite. Here I will go to all tools. And in this, I will find this instant forms. So I'm going to open this. Here we can see that I have one lead generation form, which is named as pest control form. So I'm going to show you my form here. So this is my form and I have these three details, full name, email and the phone number. And this is how my form look like. So I'm going to close this and I'm going to map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. So first I have to select my page and for selecting the page, you need to open this tab. And in this tab, you will find all the pages that are connected with your Facebook account. So I'm using this Termite Terminators page. So I'm going to select this. And similarly for the lead generation form, I'm going to open this tab. And in this tab, you will find all the lead generation form that you have connected with your page. So I'm going to use this pest control form. Now we have this important note which says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test Request button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here it is waiting for webhook response. Now to get this webhook response, what I need to do is that I need to make sure that my lead generation form is live, and I need to create a sample submission. And for creating the sample submission, I'm going to use Meta for Developer. So I'll go to Meta for Developer. Here I will go to More and I will open this Tools. And in Tools, I'm going to search for this Lead Ads RTU Debug Tools. So I'm going to open this. And we are going to use this tool, and in this we have these two details, page and the form. So this is my page, which is named as Termite Terminators, and my form is Pest Control Form. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to create a new lead and I'm going to fill dummy details in my lead. So for that, I'll click here on Preview Form button. So this is my form and I'm going to fill dummy details in this. So my full name will be New User. My email will be newuser@pabblytudes.com, and I will give a random phone number, and I will click on Next. I will click on Submit. So I have submitted my form and I have created this new lead. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see we have received this new response. So the full name is New User, email is newuser@pabblytudes.com, and we have this random phone number. So these are the details of my new lead. And I'm going to use these lead details, and I'm going to add these lead details automatically in my Google Sheet. So for that, I need to set up my Actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here my action application will be Google Sheets. So I'm going to select this Google Sheets, and I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and add new row will be my action event. Now I will connect Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection, and I will sign in with Google. Now I will click on Allow to give access to my account, and my connection here is successful. Now I have these details. So first I have to select my spreadsheet. So for this, let's go to Google Sheet, and this is my Google Sheet, and I'm using this spreadsheet which is named as Facebook Leads, and we are using Sheet 1 here, and I have these three columns in my Google Sheet. So the first is full name, second is email, and the last one is phone number. So I'm going to map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. So first I have to select my spreadsheet. So for that, I'm going to open this tab, and in this tab you will find all the spreadsheets that you have Google Sheet account. So I'm going to use this Facebook Leads spreadsheet. So I'm going to select this, and here we can see that all the details have changed according to my spreadsheet. Now I have these three details, full name, email, and the phone number. So I'm going to map all these details here, and I'm going to use mapping. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'm going to click here. I'm going to open the response of Facebook lead ads, and in this I have this full name of my lead. So this is going to be my full name. So I'm going to select this. Now I have to map email. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of Facebook lead ads, and this is my email of my lead. So I'm going to map this. Now similarly, I will map my phone number. I will open this response, and this is the phone number. Now I have mapped all my details, and I have filled all these details here. Now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button, and here we got this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have updated my row in my Google Sheet and have added these details automatically in my Google Sheet. Now to check this, let's go to Google Sheet, and here we can see I have added this new row instantly in my Google Sheet. So the full name is New User, email is newuser@pabblytudes.com, and I have this phone number. So these are the same details that I have created as a new lead through my lead generation form. So these are the details of my new lead that I have created for my pest control business in Facebook lead ads, and I have added these details automatically in my Google Sheet. Now to check this in real time, I will go back to Meta for Developer. I will close this. I will delete this lead, and I'm going to preview this form again, and I'm going to fill dummy details. So my full name will be test user, email will be testuser@pabblytudes.com, and I will give a random phone number. So this will be my phone number. I will click on Next. I will click on Submit, and I have created this new lead again. So now I will directly go back to my Google Sheet. I have instantly added this new row in my Google Sheet with the details of the new lead that I have created in Facebook Lead Ads for my pest control business. The full name is test user, email is testuser@pabblytunes.com, and the phone number is this. So I'm adding the details of the new lead that I'm getting from Facebook Lead Ads for my pest control business automatically in my Google Sheet. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this integration between Facebook Lead Ads and Google Sheets such that whenever I'm getting new Facebook leads for my pest control business in Facebook Lead Ads, then I'm adding those details of the new lead in my Google Sheets automatically. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook Lead Ads and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my action, and my action application was Google Sheets and my action event was add new row. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.